Right, these are the first steps. You can start with either left or the right hand side of the panel with the panel that has been shown just now. Now, second step, you have to insert all the screw as shown here. In other words, put all the screw in where you can find there's a plastic circle. Now, firmly secure in all the screw. Now, once you have finished that, we will start on the 5 slab with the white slab as shown here. And remember, first, second, third and fourth, the hole is actually not going through. The fifth one is the one that actually got a hole going through with it. Now remember, with this slab you have to insert at the front of the car, which will be shown later. Okay, we will call this slab as slab number 1. Now remember, when you screw in this screw, do not over tighten it, just enough just to touch the plastic circle there as shown. One more time. Firmly secure the screw, but do not over tighten it, just enough to touch the plastic surface there. Now, the next step, we firmly push the wooden stick in, but do not over push in, only halfway. Okay, as shown just now, only halfway. Okay, just halfway as shown. Now, put it all in all the holes as shown there. Okay, once you finish on this side, you can start doing the other side as well the same way also. Okay, remember the slab number 1 we mentioned before. This is how it's been put in. Okay, make sure the hole is actually can see through right there. That's there. Okay. Now it's important you line up the slab in like this as shown, but please do not put in this screw in where it will be being inserted and secured last after we have put in the wheel, which we will show later again. Now next step, with the remainder of the 4th slab, we put it in as shown just now. That's number 2. And now the second one we secure with the screw as shown. Make sure the arrow is actually facing downwards when you put it in. Facing down. And secure it like that. Okay, follow the 3rd, the 4th and the 5th complete as shown. Now the last one will be the slab putting up with the panel mark number 8 as shown. Now pay attention, make sure the 4th slab, the first second, third, and the fourth slab, the screw is actually facing this way, and the fifth slab, the screw must be facing this way as shown for easy access to other steps. Now the next step, we put in the head of the bed, which is the piece that is marked with the hose as shown. Okay, the first piece will be put in according to that tree. Make sure it's actually inside this 3 panel, and followed by some wood stick as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces. Okay, now line it up. Now once it's secure, put the screw in like instructed before, arrow down, and push it in and turn anti-clockwise. Clockwise, sorry. And the same as is the inner screw as shown. Slowly insert the screw in as shown. That is the reason why we got the hole for the first panel there for the screw to go in. Yes, and tighten up tightly. Now following, closing up the first slab with the screw as shown. Now secure also the third screw on the back as well. So as you can see, there is all 3 screws altogether secure like that, and the whole section should look by now like this. Now next step, we're putting the panel of the other side of the bed on top of it. Now the next step, we put on the other side of the bed on top and secure it in as shown. Now make sure you got all the screw in shown like that. Now once it's all secure, we start to putting all the screw and tighten up as before. Now once again, remember to face the arrow up the same direction as where the screw comes from. In this case, it's actually now at 12 o'clock upward.